Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and today I have got a Legends unboxing. Now you can't see much of it, but I've got a lot. I spent just under £90, ha ha, and it's all stuff I already have. I could get new stuff, like new colours, so I want to give a shout out to this guy, because I also got him today from a toy shop in Stafford. Anyways, so we found these in the co-op in Milton. The display stand wasn't even fully assembled, so yeah. Now, this video might be up to 4 parts, because I'm going to title it the biggest SuperThings unboxing ever, or whatever. And now, this is going to be the Legends part. I'll save some other random stuff, but yeah, let's just get into it. Right, let's go with the Mega Pack first, shall we? Now, of course, I have already opened one of these in the video where Magibox sent one to me. But yeah. Right to her, let's open them. Now, if you are looking for these, they are on Magibox's website. You can also get them at co-ops, select stores. They are definitely select stores, as they say, because, well, we checked 8 co-ops in total, and only one of them had it, being the Milton one. So, yeah. Right. There we go. Of course, the comic guide. I did go over that in the other video. Right then, this looks about the same contents as I got before, but yeah. Right, Series 4 1-pack. Off we go. Ooh, we have Mac Tooler. And there is the checklist for Series 4. Very good, very nice. Right, let's just continue the Series 4 theme and go for a Series 4 vehicle. I have noticed... Oh, flip, I just knocked the tower. There is a lot of Series 4s in the mystery bag, so there's the vehicle. There's the SuperThing. There's the checklist. And there's the disc. There we go. Right, yeah. Oh yes, you can also see my display in the background. That thing takes a long time to do. And it's going to expand a lot soon. Yay! Now, I will clarify that I haven't got the series... No, not what am I talking about? The ultra rare packs and the Super Vehicle 4 pack. They will probably be in one of the later parts because the co-op didn't have those. There's the vehicle. Is it Firefly it's called? I don't think it is. And we have Trick Chock. And then there's Series 3 checklist. Absolutely love Series 3. Right, let's go for Series 4 again, shall we? Right. Of course, these are the blaster jets. Here we are. We're purple. Hey, this is the body for Mac Tooler. That's weird. I think it is. Just move the camera a bit. There we go. But yeah, this is the body for Mac Tooler. No, this is Mac Tooler. The other one's Multi-Zing Jack, I think he's called. I'm getting the names mixed up. Right. There you go. You have your disc and fire it at the camera. Woo! Right. What are we going for next? Oh, we've still got a Series 5 one. Right, the finale. We have Bucky Button. And this aero wagon here. Of course, these, you press this orange bit and then, woo, these fly out. Then Series 5 checklist. Right, what should we go for next? Let's go for a battle pack, shall we? Right, the battle pack. These cost £5 and the mega packs cost £6 as usual. Right, come on, open sesame. Now, you may think it's just like a blister pack. No, it's got a big boxy bit at the end. So, I'm just saying, cube or circular hideout. I think the Series 1 one's more of a cuboid. Also, Spike Head there, you're meant to be crystal, but you're not there, because that's a prototype. We also saw that on the stock images for the Super Machines Combat as well, so that's weird. Right, come on. Now, this comic guide is a lot smaller than the others. Whilst I'm tempted to open it, I might as well talk about this. Oh, no, I think I've got it. Yes, there we go. So what you get? So you've got 2 compact vehicles, 2 hideouts, and 4 SuperThings. It's pretty good. Okie dokie. Let's open Sesame the Battle Pack. Don't tell me it's going to take years to just open them. The Legends part even might be ages. Right. We might have 2 parts for Legends. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm discombobulated. Come on, open up. Ugh. There we go. Flipping it. Right. Series 3 vehicle. Series 4 vehicle. Ooh, Series 2 hideout. And that means we must have a Series 1 hideout, yes. Don't have too many of the Series 1 hideouts. Right, let's start with Series 4 because we're going to get a lot of these. Right. Ooh, flipping heck. Right, what have we got here? Ooh, is it Count Garlic? I'm not sure if I have them in that colour. I might not, you know. Right. So here we have the vehicle. Blasted jet. Once again, fire at the camera. Woo! Then the checklist. Right, Series 3, off we go. The only SuperThings, not including playset characters, I need from Series 3, before I have all of them in both colours, is Surprise and Yellow. Oh my gosh, I just got Mr. King. I just got Mr. King. OMG. Look at that. Yes. Did not think I'd get an ultra rare today, but, well, I guess I'm lucky. Right, let's go for Series 2. Got loads of these in a charity shop the other day. In Derby, right. Series 2 checklist. Been a while since I've seen one of these. Right, here we go. I do not know who's in there. I've not looked through the back. And we have Jack Balance. You know, I saw a video a while ago. Oh, I saw it, Mr. King. Where someone was opening Series 2. I think the channel was called Alan TV. And they got loads of colours that don't exist. Like, they got a green pumpkin. I'm getting the camera out, mate. Ah! Right, Series 1 hideout. Wow, this has rubber bands. Oh, the smell of SuperThings. They need to make an air freshener that just smells of SuperThings. Oh, we've got Fizzer. Hello! Once again, don't know if I have them in person. I feel like I do, because I've got so many Series 1s. I've got nearly 75 of them over here. Just, they'll be opened in another part. Got them from an arcade. Yeah, the lady looked as like we gone mad when we asked for 4,500 tickets in SuperThings, which was 75, but hey ho. Now, I'm really hoping these are easy to open, or else I might have to get scissors. Right, we're going to have to absolutely rip apart the bags. Right, so they're stuck together like the peanuts you get at pubs, but right. Series 5 Uno pack. First Series 5 1 pack. That was a mystery bag, by the way. Right, we have got the Hose Chap. God, I don't know what his name is. I'm really bad for names today. Right, Series 3 Super Spider. We've got Hactus Pocus. And, oh, I think I might need it in this colour. Right, let's go for something else, shall we? I just realised this has got like a seal on it. Huh. Let's go for the last battle pack, and then after this we've just got Super Machines Combat and 1 packs. I'm going to be a bit more careful opening this one now I know how it opens. Come on, open sesame. It's not open sesame-ing. In fact, actually, I think I'll just end the video here. Yeah, let's do that. Well, I shall see you on the next part of Legends. Bye!